much is this 40 by 60 metal building we built in Texas? Stick around in this video, we'll break it down for you.
Welcome back, Pack. Today we have a special metal building for you. It is a 40 by 60 tubular building. The pricing does include the concrete, building, and equipment. Today we are joined with a special guest. We have Yadira. She's our new project leader. She did start a couple months ago. So I'm gonna actually have you tell them about yourself, okay?
Yeah. So my name is Yadira. I am new to WolfSteel. I am the new project leader and I'm really excited to be a part of this pack. I have been in the metal industry for a little over 2 years now and I'm excited to see where I can go with this company.
Yeah.
Enough about me, let's talk about this metal building. So just like the projects on our website, we're going to be talking about the site prep to the building installation that we did for this customer.
Yeah, so I'm gonna break down the building real quick just so they know, what the size of the structure is, what it all entails. The building is a 40-foot wide, 60-foot long, and 16-foot tall at the eaves. It is 14 gauge. You're more than welcome to upgrade to 12 gauge, but we did do the 14 gauge for the structure. The siding and the roof is all vertical. So he did get that heavy duty, beautiful look on his structure. It has 3 36 by 36 windows, 1 36 by 80 walk-in door, and we did install 3 12 by 12 doors. However, these doors are a little bit different. They are called a silhouette gray. So these lead times on these doors are a little bit longer, but the customer is willing to wait for them. So we actually ended up getting them in time. We had a little bit of site prep we had to do in between. They came in time. And then the customer did do a two-tone wainscoting, so he did a forest green and black. And this customer did get the color screw package, which we always tell them, if you don't get colored screws at this point, like you're gonna have the sore eyes with the little other ones. So he did get the bang for his buck, that's for sure.
So about all these, with all those features, Sarah, how much was the cost of this building?
The cost of the building was, so the total price of the project start to finish, so this is like concrete, this is the building, equipment, $93,760.20.
So let's break it down for them. The concrete on this build was $34,735.20. The dimensions of the slab were 40 feet by 40 feet 3 inches by 60 feet 3 inches, 4-inch slab with 2 12 by 12 footers and 2 24 by 24 footers.
Yeah, and actually what she means by that is the 24-inch by 24-inch footers are on the perimeter, and then what we did is we did do 2 interior 12 by 12 footings because he did have some heavy equipment that he was going to be sitting in there, and also a car lift, so we wanted to make sure everything was strong, sturdy, nothing was gonna crack, nothing was gonna break there.
Right.
And then the building price, just the building, was $55,495. That's plus tax. That includes all the features previously mentioned.
Equipment on this building was about $3,530, so just remember any wide spans about 30 or wider, 14-foot or taller equipment fees could apply.
Yeah, and so Pack, make sure you check out the buildings that we have on our YouTube. Make sure that you comment on the buildings that interest you the most. Make sure you like them, share them, subscribe to our YouTube channel just so you can keep up to date.
And just comment, subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Again, my name is Yadira. I am the new member of this pack and I'm excited to see what video we can do for you next.